So our final example problem, example 3, really puts everything together, just the same steps in reverse. So this time we know that we're dealing with a saturated air parcel, the temperature of which is 0 degrees Celsius at 4,000 meters in altitude, and the dew point temperature of this air parcel is 12 degrees Celsius. Our question this time is, what is the temperature of this air parcel at sea level? In other words, 0 meters. This might seem a little daunting at first, but it's really not. We do the same steps we did previously, just in reverse, and I'll show you how that's done now. So we start with our altitude at 4,000 meters, and we're trying to go all the way down to sea level at 0 meters and figure out what the temperature is. And this time it's in reverse. Because we are decreasing in altitude, we actually increase our temperature. Because remember, as air sinks down, it compresses and warms up. It's the opposite of when air rises. So as we drop from 4,000 meters to 3,000 meters, we add 6 degrees based on the moist adiabatic rate, because we're using saturated air here. So it goes from 0 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. Then we repeat this step again for the next one. As we go from 3,000 meters to 2,000 meters, we add 6 degrees Celsius again to go from 6 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius. And now you've probably noticed that at 12 degrees Celsius, we've reached our dew point temperature. So the air that is saturated above this point, as we continue to descend in altitude, becomes unsaturated. So as we drop down further in altitude, we can no longer use the moist adiabatic rate. We have to switch to the dry adiabatic rate because the air is now unsaturated. So as we drop from 2,000 meters to 1,000 meters, we add 10 degrees rather than 6. So we jump from 12 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. And finally, from 1,000 meters to sea level 0 meters, we drop from 22 degrees Celsius to our final answer of 32 degrees Celsius. Well, I hope these examples are helpful for you, and good luck on your exam. Thanks for watching.